Alright, y'all. Finna go on the road real quick. I'm in the car real quick. Hold up. It's locked. I gotta wait for him. But I'm finna go on the road real quick for you guys. I don't know where I'm going though, but I'm just gonna vlog it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get a little footage for y'all. You know what I'm saying? My hair is real bad, man. But I'm finna go on the road with y'all. And I'm gonna hit y'all when I find out where I'm going, okay? Yes. I'm gonna hit y'all when I find out where I'm going right now. I'm finna dip right now. I don't know where I'm going at the moment, but I'm gonna let y'all know in a second. See y'all there. Comment down below which color do you like? Cause I'm a blue person. My favorite color is blue and shit. I like blue. Yeah, we're just trying to buy some colors real quick. Yep, nothing big. Oh shit.
Yeah, you can't use that on the metal stuff.
But how is this for stucco? I mean, if it was sealed or something? How the other one for stucco would
It won't seal it as much as the Loxon,
but
it'll protect it and seal it a little bit. The Loxon is like a high-end waterproofing
so
system.
you use the catch with Loxon if you're going to put it on metal. If you're going to put it on the metal,
Yeah, get y'all ass to Sherman's Williams, bro, if y'all want to paint something. Cause they'll hook you right up, man.
Masonry or metal?
They got some pretty amazing stuff here. I don't know what the hell this is, but
Incidental metal. Not something to go on.
So that's got to be the multi-purpose, right?
If you want all in one, make it perfect.
this white nigga trying to try me. Finna sock this nigga. Trying to keep my cool, bro. Trying to keep my cool, bro. This white ass nigga looking at you like you wanna try something. Pull up, nigga. See what you get. This white ass nigga trying to try me and shit, boy. Don't play with me. Yeah, oh. Damn, I'm getting light skinned in this bitch. Hurry up, man. I'm not trying to be in here too long. Oh, what is this? That's my whip, y'all. That's my whip. Looking sexy as hell over there. No cap. Sitting right there, don't know what the hell he doing. Fuck that. Ford F-150. A lot of you probably don't know what kind of car if you're not into cars and shit. But that is a Ford F-150. Strong, motherfucker. What you want? Nigga trying to paint and shit. That's the only one. You're just looking at it. Why you looking at me, nigga? Come on. No, I'm sexy, bro. But you gotta stop looking at me. I'm not gay. She can look at me. Not you. Her can look at me. I don't play with dudes, bro. I would take your girl on phone up. I'm trying to find like DDG, bro. Oh shit. What's wrong with this bitch?
Oh, it's cold. Let's see what. When you account again, what was?
Huh?
You want your account?
Yeah.
What was it?
There.
Okay. Are you manage the account right there? Yeah.
Oh, this shit rough. Like a Scotch Brite. For this color, Saturday non protest.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get cost down.
So they gonna get a tanker?
That one, I'll put the jumper one in here. So those, this. Jumper one. It's just the bigger thing, that's all this.
What is that?
$10.99 for the, well, your price might be different. I figure you take about 50% off. Let's see how much, you take this for?
Alright, y'all, so we're about to leave. You just found what you wanted, so I think you can go buy them shits now. I hope you go to Walmart or some shit so I can buy gift cards, I can play some games, but don't judge me, nigga, don't judge me. I got money. Stay safe out here, y'all. This corona shit ain't playing, even though I haven't heard much about it, probably because I don't watch the news. But I still gotta stay safe, wear my mask, stay protected. Yo, if I'm being honest, yo, man, I know nothing of this. I swear to God, like, I don't know what oil-based wood primer. I know what primer means, but I don't know the rest of it. But I'm young, so I don't know what the hell be going on in here. But I'm trying to learn from the best. Right there.
Back to this.
But I don't know half of what these things does. I know these for the roller brushes and shit. You know what I'm saying? I know that much. These bitches. I don't like things out of order. I do this every time I go shopping. Trying to fix shit. That's not my job, bro. What is this? Oh, it's a brush. Paintbrush. Okay. $23 for that. The hell?
Here to 430.
You gotta be shitting me. Look at how these people are so... They're evil. Look at this. $23 for this, right? Look at the size of this. Look at this shit right here. Big as hell. This shit sold for $21. $22. No, 21. These niggas trying to cheat you. Oh, look at this guy.
stuff.
Oh,
Hey, what's up?
let's go.
I guess a regular big stick can mix
You want
it
a
up.
big stick? A few of them?
That will mix it right up, right?
Yeah. You want some?
Yeah, give me a couple of those.
Well, this the paint.
Yeah.
When are you gonna paint?
I'm not gonna pay them. Somebody.
You getting this today or tomorrow?
Actually, I don't know where this guy's at. He's stuck on the back now, and then he's gonna paint after he's done. So, we said a couple of days. You don't have to do anything with it.
Right. If it's the next 3 days you're doing it, then you don't need to mix it.
Next
Otherwise,
3 days, but after that you gotta mix it.
yeah, I would. Yeah, for the color.
We're leaving. No cap.
White truck?
Yeah.
Michael Berry. Billie Jean, Billie Jean. Billie Jean, Billie Jean.
Come back and eventually get another 5 gallon. I don't know if I'm gonna need 1 or 2 more.
I got you. All
Alright.
right. Have a good one.
So that's on record, right?
Yep. That car will be in.
Come on and pull this shit, bro. Trying to get in this bitch and go home, bro.
I got designer from head to my toe. I'm on designer, my bitch on the coat. I got Da Vinci all over my coat. I'm on the X and I jump on the phone.